Hey guys, today's video I'm going to quickly walk you through on how you can easily set up your first Facebook ads campaign for your business. Now, most business owners usually jump straight to running sales ads as the first Facebook ads campaign for their business, but that is a very big mistake. I will always recommend you start with an awareness ad campaign first. And the reason why I suggest you start with an awareness ad as the first Facebook ads campaign for your business is because it's going to help introduce your business to the right type of people. Before you go ahead to ask anybody to buy your product, the best way is to let them get to know you first or let them get to know your business first. That is because statistics have shown that most people love to buy from businesses they know and trust. And because your business is going to be in front of new eyes, it is best to run an awareness ad. It's going to help build that familiarity with them quickly. Now, the second reason is because an awareness ad is going to help set you up for a powerful retargeting later and, of course, help you save money in the long run. Now, when you run an awareness ad as the first Facebook ad campaign, you're going to be able to collect real data in real time on the type of people who are most likely to buy your products. So that when you eventually decide to run sales ads campaign, you have enough data or real data so that you can easily retarget the right people to put your ads in front. Because at this point, Facebook now already knows exactly who to target. Think about it this way. Skipping an awareness ad first is like asking Facebook or paying Facebook to figure out your audience from scratch. Whereas when you run an awareness ad campaign first, it's like giving Facebook a head start on who to target. And in so doing, when you go ahead to run sales ads campaign, it's going to be way more cheaper and of course, way more effective. Enough talking, let's quickly get right into the laptop and let me show you how you can easily set up your first or an awareness ad campaign for your business. All right, so the first step is to go to Ads Manager. Let's set our first ad campaign. Click the create button, and then next is to choose a campaign objective. Now, since we want people to get to know that our business exists, you can either choose the awareness or the engagement ad campaign objective. I'm going to go for engagement and click continue, and then select manual engagement campaign. Click continue. I'll give our campaign a name. Let's scroll down to the budget right here. I'm going to choose campaign budget and then give a daily budget. This daily budget is basically how much I want to spend on running this Facebook ads a day. Click the next button and let's go now. Give our asset a name. Next is conversion location. So click on this drop down arrow and I'm going to choose on your ads because I want people to actually interact or engage with my video or the post, right? So I'm going to leave the engagement type to video views. And then we're going to scroll down and come here where it says schedule. So I'm going to set a specific date that I want this ad to run and when I want it to end. We go now to location targeting. This is where you're going to be able to select the specific country, city or region that you want your ads to run on. So click this edit button here and on the search bar down here, you can go ahead and type in the name of the country or the region or the city that you want this ad to run on. So for example, I'm typing in California, USA. As you can see, it brings up the map, and then I can also use this slider that I can further go ahead to select what specific area in California I want to target. We scroll now to Advantage Plus audience, and this is where you can edit and select the specific age group of your target audience and also their gender. And once you've done that, just come and click the next button. We go to the next ad set level. I'm going to add the ad name right here. Now, if you notice, each ad set level has the exact same name. Now, whenever you create or you start running an ad, it's better to give the exact same name to all the different or the three ad set level. This is just to avoid confusion. Next, we go now to choose the Facebook page we want to run ads on. Just click the drop down arrow and select the Facebook page and Instagram page. We go now to ad setup, and this is basically where you put in the visuals of your ads. Right now, you can click this drop down arrow and then you're going to see create ad, use existing post. Now you can go ahead and create a visual from scratch, or you can also use an existing post on Instagram or Facebook. So I'm going to click on this drop down arrow and then choose use existing post. Now you can still leave it on create ad if you want to do it from scratch, but I'm going to be using the post that's already existing on my Facebook or Instagram page. All right, so next we're going to scroll down, go to add creatives. Now click select post, and then these are the posts that I found on my Facebook page. I can just select, or I can either go to Instagram and select, but I'm going to choose any post on Facebook here and then click continue. And there you have it. This is the preview right here. And click advanced preview here, and you're going to be able to see how the ad is going to look on mobile, on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. Now, if in case you want to change the ad creative, you can come here, click change posts, and it's going to take you back here to where you can select the post from either Instagram or Facebook. And once you choose, just click continue, and it's going to add up here with the text extracted, the caption of that post extracted and added here. Go to call to action, and this is where you can add a call to action, and you can also add a link to your website if in case you want to redirect people to your website. So at this point, instead of going ahead to click the publish button, you're going to come to the left hand side here, and then you're going to come to the last ad set level, click the three dots and click the duplicate button. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to use multiple ad creatives to advertise or to run this awareness ad. All right, so I want a total of 3 or 4 different copies. So I want 4 copies. So I'm going to come here where it says number of copies and change this one to 3 and click duplicate. So as you can see, I now have a total of 4, including my original. So I can go now to each of the copies and go back to add creative, and then come here, you see change posts, and then I can go now back to Facebook and select a specific post that I want to use for the ads, right? Then we can then go now to the call to action. Once our post is added, you can go to the call to action and add a call to action just like what we did for the original. Now once that is done, you can also, another thing I forgot to show you is this edit placement for your ad creatives. You can just go ahead and choose where exactly you want your ads to be, whether it's on the reels, stories, whatever. Okay, so you can go and do that. You can go again to each of the different, you can go to each of the different copies and then do this exact same thing. You can go to the ad creative and change the posts. So basically what we're doing is to use different posts, a total of 4 different posts to run awareness ads. Now this is perfect because it's going to help give us Facebook multiple options to run our awareness ads, and that's going to make our ads even convert better. So that is how you run your first Facebook ad for your business. Now, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was in any shape or form, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Go right into the comment section. And if you have been running Facebook ads for some time, please, let's get to the comment section and let's share some ideas. All right guys, I hope this video was helpful once more. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well if you love contents like this. I'm going to be dropping contents like this back to back, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button, because that is how YouTube is going to notify you every time a video like this is up on the channel. All right, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.